All right, for problem two, it's much like problem one, where we're going to be sketching out our front view of this object and then extruding it from there. And what we have is kind of a tombstone looking shape with a little ledge on the bottom. And so how I like to start this off is do my rectangle on the bottom and then do this part up on top. So let's go into Inventor. We're going to start it off the same way we started the last one. Start 2D sketch. We're going to hit the front, select the front plane, and we're going to start drawing from our origin just like we did before. And to figure out the width of this object, I have to use my radius, and from the center to the edge is 2, so center to the edge is here, and 2 plus 2 is 4, I've been told. So let's put 4, enter, and then we'll zoom out, we'll pan over, and the height is 0.75 of this little ledge. And we go over our 4 and close off our rectangle. Now what we have to do is get to the center point to draw these two circles. And I know that the center point is in the middle of the 4, and from that middle point it's up 0.75. So if I go to the middle, you could see in the line command, I get my green snap. This indicates endpoint, and it also indicates midpoint as well. So I could click on it, I could go up 0.75 units, and what that does for us is it creates a little snap point. So when I go into my circle command, and I draw my circle, all right, we have two circles, concentric circles. I have a diameter of 1, and then my outer circle has a radius of 2, and when I'm using my circle command, it is in diameter mode, so I have to double that to 4. And now I could just go in and connect some lines. There we go. And if you want, you could trim this. You don't have to trim it, but let's trim it. I go up here to the modified toolbar, trim, and we're going to click on the pieces we don't need. All right, we could just leave that piece, whatever. Finish sketch. Remember, you hit the little house, goes to that home isometric view, and we hit extrude. Let's extrude our bottom. 1.5 units, of course. All right, remember our sketch becomes consumed, so I go over here to my extrusion, open it up, turn on that visibility, extrude the top, and it needs to be 0.75. Now, if you look, what it's trying to do is we're actually on the cut command, and it's going to give me an error message if I hit OK here because we don't have anything to cut. I need to go back and switch it to join. All right, your computer's going to want to do what it wants to do sometimes, and so you have to kind of direct it back to the join, and we hit OK. I just turn off my stuff again, and there's that drawing done. So let's go up, do a save as, and save it as problem 2 in your folder. Save, done.